Strategist at Blue Line Futures, giving you your midday metals minute. We're going to touch base here on three different metals, gold, silver, and copper. Give you a couple bullets on it, give you some technicals on each one here. So gold futures breaking out, hitting 1900. Very key here, very key. We're about to take out and negate this downward pattern that we've had for a while, change the trend to more neutral. Then if we get a break above 19, 18, 10, that puts it positive on the year. All the financial networks, they're going to start talking about it. Now, what changed the dynamics here today? Because we were a bit weaker as the morning session was on. The consumer confidence number came out weaker than expected. It was the first time we had a setback and a slip in 6 months. It was driven by weaker jobs growth recovery and also rising inflation expectations. Now, we've already known that inflation's been rising. You see all these other key commodities out there, all the different sectors going through the roof, hitting your gas bill and also your grocery bill. So inflation's here. It's probably going to be here a lot longer than the Fed anticipates. Now, looking at silver. Silver is one of my favorite commodities. The chart pattern totally different from the gold market. I think they came unhinged quite a while ago. And silver with electric vehicle demand, with rising investment demand, more industrial uses. I believe with the EV vehicles, your silver, copper, platinum, palladium, those are all zinc, rhodium. All the demand for those different commodities has really been a big driver. And I think silver is setting up for this small consolidation here before we get a breakout to the upside. We've been looking at September, eyeing that contract, looking at call spreads, 29, 30, 31, 32, somewhere in there. That would be a full-fledged breakout to the upside on silver. And then finally, copper. Copper's had about a 24.5-cent correction. It was China's state planner came out and said that they wanted to curb excess speculation. We saw it to some of the cryptocurrencies, curb some of the regulations. Some of this chatter here has really hit the copper market. I think copper's a sleeper. We're looking at some call condors going a little bit farther out on that market. And, you know, the big factor on copper that no one's looking at, the yuan breaking out, offshore yuan against the US dollar, breaking out multi-year to the upside. It allows them to quietly purchase commodities, China, without feeling that rise in the price of the commodities. It's offset by that rising yuan. So we're putting some call condors together on the copper market. Now, if you have any questions, call the trade desk. Call our team over here. We're here to help. 312-278-0500. Remember that futures and options trading involves risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.